Hello everyone. Today we will look at the types of adjectives of number or types of numeral adjectives. Numeral adjective basically tell us about the number of persons or things, or it indicate position or order of a noun in sequence. That is, in what position the noun is. Adjective of a number tell us that. Adjective of number usually answers how many or in what order, and it is used with the countable nouns. Coming to the kinds of numeral adjectives. Numeral adjectives are of three kinds: definite numeral adjective, indefinite numeral adjective, and distributive numeral adjective. Let us start with the definite numeral adjective. Definite numeral adjective give us an exact number. From the name it is very clear, it is definite, so the number is definite, the number is exact. For example, I have two juices of my own. Here 2 is giving you an exact number, so this is a definite numeral adjective. Definite numeral adjectives are further divided into cardinal numeral adjective and ordinal numeral adjective. What happens in these two is cardinal numeral adjective includes numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. For example, she has 19 books with her. How many? 19. So it is a cardinal numeral adjective. Ordinal numeral adjective includes words like first, second, third. She is standing in the fifth row. In which position is she standing? She is standing in the fifth row. Life doesn't always give second chances. Next is indefinite numeral adjective. Definite numeral adjective gives you an exact number. On the other hand, indefinite numeral adjective does not denote an exact number. It includes adjectives like all, some, many, few, and several. For example, several birds are missing from the shop. It is answering how many, but it is not showing an exact number, so it is indefinite numeral adjective. Some trees got burned today due to severe heat. And the last one is distributive numeral adjective. Distributive numeral adjective refers to all members of the group individually. It means, in simple words, if we are talking about five people in any sentence, so distributive numeral adjective will refer to all those five people individually. It includes adjectives like each, every, neither, either, etc. Each candidate must take one sheet only. Here, each is referring to all the candidates about whom we are talking about. So, each is referring to each member, to each candidate of the group. Every book on the shelf cost rupees 800. We are talking about each and every book that is on the shelf. So, this is an example of distributive numeral adjective. Neither allegation is true. It means that we are talking about both the allegations. So neither of both those allegations is true.